2024 Mazda Mazda3 Hatchback. With less than 19,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.